Perfect. Hello everyone. Today I'm just going to be teaching you guys how to use weekly profiles into your everyday trading, and I'll teach you guys how to actually take trades with these profiles. So with ICT's concepts, obviously SMC, there's three main profiles that stand out, and the three main profiles are, I'll write them down for you guys. It's the classic expansion week, and I'll show examples in a bit. There's midweek reversal, and then the last one, consolidation reversal. These are the three quote unquote main ones. There's many more, but I'll teach you guys these three and how I base some of my trades off of these, honestly. Okay, so I'm gonna write a little description for each, starting with classic expansion.
You gotta start up your stream.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, you got it, man.
Is that good?
Yep. Let me see. Yeah, you're good.
Right, so we have classic expansion, consolidation reversal, midweek reversal. So first one, classic expansion. This is when Monday or Tuesday, and I'll write this down for you guys. This is when Monday or Tuesday forms the reversal and price expands in the opposite direction into Thursdays. So I'm going to post a chart on how it looks like as well. Make sure to write this down, take notes. This is for classic expansion, by the way. So not confuse this with consolidation or anything. Right, let me show you. So either Monday, I know in the picture you guys can't see, but either Monday or Tuesday, create the low for the bullish example. Low of the day, how is it determined? We go into a PD array that is the 4 hour or higher, and then for Wednesday, Thursday we rally up, and then Friday we come back into the range. That's a TGIF, but that's for another class maybe. And then in the bearish example for a classic expansion week, Monday or Tuesday, create high of the week, and we go into a 4 hour or higher time frame PD array, and then Wednesday, Thursday rallies down to drawn liquidity, right? And then Friday back into the range. That's the first one, classic expansion week. Then we have consolidation reversal. So for this one, this is when price reverses on a Thursday and expands on the opposite direction during Friday. And I'll write this down. You are, and then I'll have I have to take all my screenshots from my other monitor. Right? Oh, this is not clear. Hold up. So this is just when you see Thursday either hit a PD array or an old low or old high, and then Friday we just rally down. So as the name suggests, consolidation, right? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, consolidation. We have Monday's low is still intact. This is for the bullish example, by the way. Thursday comes in, takes the external low, and most of the time there's going to be a high time frame PD array. And when I say higher time frame PD array, I mean 4 hour or higher. And then Friday just rallies to our drawn liquidity. And then the bearish example, same thing. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, consolidation. Thursday comes up, takes Monday's high, interacts with a higher time frame PD array. Friday we rally back down to drawn liquidity. And then the third main one we have is midweek reversal. Now this one has been quite common recently. Right, this is when Wednesday forms a reversal and price expands on the opposite direction. Here. And then here's my screenshot. Right? Simple. Bullish example. Right? Monday, Tuesday does whatever they want. Wednesday, however, interacts with a higher time frame PD array. This is the bullish example. Right? Thursday, Friday, we just rally to our draw. And then bearish, Monday and Tuesday are consolidating or bullish. Wednesday hits a higher time frame PD array, and we reversed for the next 3 days. Now I'll tell you how you can trade these and what these offer buys for, right? So first, classic expansion week. After the point of reversal, right? So the Tuesday reversal, this profile would offer you buys for Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and for Friday actually. Friday we have the classic TGIF setup. If you guys don't know, you could look into it. But this one right here, classic expansion week, offers you buys for Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Then we have consolidation reversal. This one offers you strict buys for Friday, right? Thursday, and then Friday. But normally I just say Friday only. Some people say Thursday, but Friday is more confirmed. And the last one, midweek reversal. This one offers you buys for both Thursday and Friday. Thursday, Friday, after Wednesday. Now, I'll show you guys how you can anticipate these. I'll show you guys how to anticipate these using the, what is it called? The calendars, the Forex Factory calendars. And at first it's going to be harder, but the more you backtest, the more you're going to start seeing these. Because you can predict these even before price happens. And I'll show you proof. I'm on FX Replay. We are on Monday the 2nd, 2023. This is a year. So here, I'll mark out the days just quickly for you guys. And I'll show you guys how this works. Monday, so 12 a.m. Tuesday. Does anyone have questions while I mark the stuff out? Thursday, Friday. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Now watch. We're gonna go on FX Replay. I'll get the calendar for this specific week. Alright, give me a second. The first week of January. There we go. Perfect. I'll copy paste it. Okay, I can't post it on FX Replay for some reason. Here we have it. Right, let's keep this in mind. Now let's go over this real quick, and let's see what we can predict off of this. Now we see that Monday, clearly Monday we can't trade. Monday, it's a bank holiday, so Monday we can't do anything.
I think you grabbed the news. Wait, go back to FX Replay real quick.
January 2. No, it's right.
Oh yeah, that's right. My bad.
You're good. And here, just keep this in mind.
Yeah.
Right, look at these just one more time. Midweek reversal. We have consolidating reversal. And we have classic expansion. Now, just by looking at this, Monday we're not trading. Tuesday, we have no news. So what are we expecting? Obviously, Mondays are normally accumulation or consolidations. So since Monday isn't doing that, Tuesday might be doing that, right? So Tuesday we should not be trading as well. And I know a bunch of people would still trade, but I prefer higher time frame confirmation, which we probably won't have on Tuesday because we have no red folders. And now just by looking at this, I want you to kind of form a prediction of what we have for this week, right? And I'll go back on, right? Anyone in the call want to guess maybe? Give it a shot.
I would guess that it'd be a midweek reversal.
Okay, yeah, you're perfectly right, and I'll show you guys why. Watch. Monday and Tuesday we're not doing anything, right? So we're expecting price to do what? Consolidate. Do this, right? But what do we have here? 10 a.m. we have Wednesday. We have 10 a.m. news and 2 p.m. news on Wednesday. So what am I expecting? I would expect a midweek reversal where Wednesday interacts with a higher time frame PD array to continue on the opposite direction. Why? Because we have Friday news and Thursday news. So we have volatility here and here. No volatility here, no volatility here. So what I'm expecting is I want to see price either do this or I want to see price do this. And I know it's getting a bit messy, but Let's try that out on the charts, right? So Monday's a bank holiday. Let's let Monday play out. There's nothing I can do on Monday. Let me let that play out. Tuesday. And I'm just trading off of higher time frame bias and profiles. I'm not gonna do anything else. I'm not gonna mark out anything. No, nothing at all. Now watch. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. What we predicted was a midweek reversal where Wednesday interacts with the higher time frame PD array. Now let's go on the higher time frame chart and let's see what we have. Right, so we're on the 4-hour chart, or you can go on the daily. Let's check out the daily. We have a BISI right here, but it's too high up. Personally, I like the 4-hour more. 4-hour chart. What do we have here? We have a SIBI, a 4-hour SIBI. We're gonna mark that out. So 4-hour SIBI. Now, what we're looking for is a trade on Wednesday, specifically Wednesday. Now, what are we gonna do? We're just gonna let price play out, but I'm gonna go on the 15-minute time frame, and let's watch price just do its thing. Right, so 15. Now, our thing was so this is Tuesday, right? Tuesday just dropped down, right? So Monday, bank holiday. Monday didn't do anything. Tuesday we had the PD array. Now we're in Wednesday. This is simply just profiling. I'm not doing anything else. Higher time frame PD array and profiling. We expect a midweek reversal Y calendar, right? We had nothing here. We have news here. We have heavy news here. So let's watch. Let's watch what we can do here. Okay, we go into this PD array. But I'm not going to enter a trade. Why? Because personally, that's just not enough confirmation, right? And some people might go, oh, we broke over this 4-hour SIBI. No, we didn't. That's just the wick. Here, like watch. That's just the wick. Right? We're just going to let this play out. And I'll look for a... Now, in this case, obviously, you see how price is reacting. So we can kind of determine that, oh, this PD array might get respected. Personally, what I'm looking for, I'd look for a time-based turtle soup inside of a PD array. And here, I'll draw this out. And let me just let price play out. Maybe we missed it, possibly. Oh yeah, I'm not even looking at news, but 10 a.m. and then 2 p.m. news, right? So 10 a.m. news already happened. I'm still looking for a trade. Okay, here. This is just off of profiling, right? We said midweek reversal where Wednesday interacts with the higher time frame PD array and then goes the opposite direction. So what do we have on the opposite direction now? Simple. We have a simple and clear drawn liquidity. So now what am I looking for? I'm looking for shorts. Now, I don't really use FX replay that much. But like if I'm shorting, that's not enough confirmation. I know most of you don't turtle soup. So let me just let price play out. Maybe inverse this fair value gap and I'll enter. Or that's an entry here. Perfect. Short. Stop loss above this high. Take profit all the way down. How are we taking this trade? Based off of just this calendar. I didn't look at anything else but the 4-hour and the calendar, and we said that it would be a midweek reversal. Simple, right? Now let me just enter this trade. We're on a 50k account, by the way. This is obviously it's just FX replay, but what I'll do is place order. Let's say we risk 2%, right? Save. TP stop loss, and now let's let price play out, right? Done. If you took that trade just off of this calendar right here, I didn't do anything else, that's $4,000, right? and I'm on NQ. So let's review the trade, right? In the call, who said it? Who said a midweek reversal?
It was me.
It was perfectly right. Right? Wednesday we hit a higher time frame PD array. We reverse. What does Thursday do? Continuation, down. We hit the opposite side. This right here is a 4-hour trade, just off of this, right? Now, this I think honestly, if you can determine what type of profile you're in, you can get one free trade every single week, right? So now let's just go to the next week. This is a nice trade. Let me just move it to 4-hour Monday, right? I'm gonna mark out a whole new week. We're gonna do one more example and then I'll take more questions, honestly.
Do you think there would have been more to look at though with that Friday since it was so news heavy?
Okay, honestly, on Friday there would be, but you have to keep in mind our thing is for Wednesday we hit our trade. I personally am out. Right?
Fair enough.
Midweek reversal. Now it does say Friday. No, it does say Thursday continues. Friday hits drawn liquidity. We did in the case of our trade though, we did hit. Like obviously, if your jaw was lower, like here, it did hit it, right?
Mhm.
Cause look, what does the profile say? Friday continuation. Friday
Yeah.
did hit this, and honestly, like you could hold this, but realistically, right? This is your draw. This is the closest draw you have. You get hit for our trade. But yeah, you're right. We can hit this. But I'm going for like realistic trades, right?
Mhm.
Done. Now I'm gonna go on Monday, which I just skipped for some reason. Damn. Okay, wait, let me remove drawings. Now we're on Monday. So I'm gonna mark out the midnight open. Give me a second. Just gonna do the days. Wednesday. Thursday and then Friday. Wait, what am I doing? Thursday and then Friday. Right, this is a whole week of price action. So this is January 9. Let me get the calendar. Okay, I got it. Perfect. Just gonna go up. Here we have the calendar, right? We have no news on Monday, right? So let's just mark everything out we have here. We have no news on Monday. So what are we expecting? Consolidation. Right? Tuesday we have news. Wednesday we have no news. Thursday, Friday we have news. Anyone want to try and guess what we're going for this week? Just off of this, we either have the classic expansion midweek reversal or consolidation reversal. Anyone? Maybe? Possibly? Check out, hey, did you ever upload the standard deviation lesson? The standard deviation lesson is not here anymore, sadly, because my recording got fucked. Here, I'm showing you guys like examples I've done and like through backtesting, and I'm telling you. Off of this, right? Think about this. Monday, no news. What do we expect? I can't speak. We're expecting consolidation.
Mhm.
Tuesday we have manipulation, right?
Tuesday high or low of the week.
Exactly. So classic expansion. That's what I'm thinking, right?
Mhm.
Right. So Tuesday manipulation. Wednesday we have no news, so we're not expecting much from Wednesday. Thursday, Friday we have news. So just go back here, and hopefully I don't hit my stop loss. Right. Monday consolidation. We're letting that play out. I don't trade Mondays like that. Okay. Okay, wait. Let's ignore that, bro. Here, what? gonna go on a 15-minute time frame, right? Let's play this smart. 15-minute time frame. Let's go on the hourly, and we're gonna not even the hourly. We're gonna go on the 4-hour chart. Let's look for any PD arrays, right? So off of Monday, what are we seeing? We have a imbalance here. We have a volume imbalance here and a fair value gap, right? I'm personally gonna mark out this whole thing, and what I'll do is, since I messed up, extend right, and then I'll write down and the left, top, center. No, not even top left. I'll write for BISI slash VI. Right? Now that's Monday. Monday's price action is done. So I'm gonna go on the 15-minute time frame, just because MMX and correlations. Right? Monday's price action is done. Now what do we have here? 9 a.m. we have Tuesday. Fed Chair Powell speaks. Right? So we let price play out. Right? Price is playing out. London. What happens here? We interact with the higher time frame. With the higher time frame PD array. Everyone's seeing that, right?
Mm-hmm.
Now, obviously, you would want more confirmation. Some people I know, some people like Fruits in the call, you would have caught this with the turtle soup. I personally, what am I looking for? I'm not trying to show you guys the right side of the chart. We have a order block right here, and we have a discount fair value gap right here. Right, so I'm looking at this fair value gap right here, or this order block. I want to see a PD array get interacted into, and then what happens? We come down here, fair value gap. I take my entry. Unfortunately, I messed it up, but stop loss down here and take profit up here, right? Simple high. It's an obvious high. This is just off of this calendar, by the way, right? And what do we see? Okay, what am I doing? Right, price does indeed take it out on Wednesday.
There you go.
So look at this. Monday we did have an expansion. It was decent price action. Tuesday, however, we have the manipulation I was talking about. Created the low of the week, and then Wednesday expansion. See what the rest of the week does. Extreme news, by the way. Thursday expansion. If you call that expansion, I don't know what that is. And then Friday should go down, yeah. Friday's TGIF. If you guys know what TGIF is, the 30% retracement, it's a free trade every single time almost. So that's pretty much how you use, I guess you can say, weekly profiles with the, how do I say this, the calendars, the FX factory calendars. And honestly, like, I didn't even pay attention much to it. Like, I'd keep in mind the weekly profiles, but like Fruits recently, like I think I met him like 2 weeks ago. He told me how heavily like this actually matters. And now that I've been like back testing it, I'm telling you guys, this right here can give you a whole free trade. Right? Every single trade I took was free, and I had nothing else but the calendar, right? This is a 5-hour trade, and the last one was a 4-hour trade, which obviously we knew was going to continue, but we were being honest with ourselves, and we just took whatever we could. That's pretty much it for the class. Anyone questions? Here, I'll unserver mute you guys. Questions, concerns? Okay, let me just remove this, right? So, I'm gonna go over this again. Classic expansion, we have consolidation reversal. And there's way more, by the way. ICT has way more profiles. I'm just showing you guys three of the main ones that I use. Consolidating reversal, and then midweek reversal. Any questions? Ed, any questions? I'll take that as a no. Alright, thank you guys so much for attending the class. Honestly, it's a good opportunity for me to just learn my own concepts too. And yeah, that's pretty much it for the class. I'm gonna stop recording now.